So guys, for the first step, you want to check the physical connection of your hard drive. Make sure that it's plugged in properly in your computer. For the second step, you want to go into your BIOS and then select the correct boot option. Make sure that it's all set up properly. Then you want to save and exit and then go back into Windows. And now once you're back on Windows, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f space /r and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to type in y and then click on enter again. For the next step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So now I'm going to restart my computer, keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in, and it's now going to start running the scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.